Keeper, man of the match performance. Big performance from you today.
Thank you.
Tell us how you feel about a performance like this.
I feel very good about it. A lot of people told us that we were going to lose, we're going to get 6-0 on those, and we come out to a draw, so I'm very proud of it.
Your performance, how you think?
My performance, in the first half, it didn't go as well, but as I keep playing, I started to improve. So I think it was a good performance.
And it's dressing room, how a draw like this also going to get a big JC team. A lot of persons said that you guys would not win. What does that mean for the team and the dressing room?
It means that we can actually progress further, join with this big team that said a lot of things about us, a lot of negative things. So we just need to push further and continue.
What does the belief in the dressing room? There's a big talking point about what it feels like, the belief in the dressing room. Can you tell us what it means to you guys to believe in yourself and what you want to do this season?
Believe. I would say don't let anyone like
any negative to get around.
Yeah. And don't just because they're big doesn't mean they can bring us down or win or these and that. So it doesn't matter. It's a ball. The ball is round.
All right. You were the captain of the team, last man standing, and you did stand up for your team. How much you rate your performance today?
I would rate my performance 8 out of 10.
What missing with the last two? What else you think you could
do?
Because you
goal that
everything.
Scored.
The goal that scored?
Yeah.
So you think you're at fault for the goal that scored?
At one point, yes, because the ball wasn't moving that fast, and it was my position. So
you're going to go back in training.